Unnao. Today, this is Saumya Tiwari and I am here to tell you about the current education system is not yet creating a value-based society. So would you like to appreciate me? But before starting anything, I would like to express my gratitude to respected sir on being given a golden opportunity to speak here. So shall we start now? To prove my stand, I would like to invite your attention to the following point. Firstly, let's consider a well-known and widely agreed fact that there is a strong relationship between the education and the society. This is because of the fact what happens. The education system undoubtedly affected the society. Keep this reality in mind. Secondly, let's look at the current education system. The most educated person in the world are highly corrupted and widely involved in the criminal activities. If I explain this with an example, doctor. Doctor is one of the noblest professions considered by almost all of us. And even still today, more than 3/4 of the students will say that they want to become doctor in the future. But are we really aware about the corruption happening in this field? A recent study published in Journal of American Medical Association, they shed light on just how cruel and greedy the medical industry really is. It turns out even when a cancer patient terminates to a cancer therapist, hurts them and get more screening, mammogram, biopsies, lab testing in order to generate more profit before the patient dies. They are just exploiting the remaining hope of the patient and their caretaker. It's an example only. More and less similar situations are experienced in all the branches of medical industry. Similarly, engineers and technocrats. At times to bribe the society, they are always ready to sign on any document or to approve any plan. If the requesting contractor or the entrepreneur make them happy with the bundles of cash. Disappointingly, more people are become educated and more they are taking part in increasing corruption, humiliation and exploitation. Now keeping this fact also in mind, let's look the modern experiment, researches and innovation done by the scientists, researchers and scholars. Most of them are being used for the destructive purpose, whether it can be used for a constructive purpose and it's a great need as well. If dynamite is an old example, then we have the atomic energy, which is widely used for creating the bombarding exploitation, where it could be used for generating electricity and other most wanted energy requirements. Most of the problems faced by the world today due to the lack of value, lack of education system as an individual or as a collective level. There is a great need for absorbing a value-based or a character-based education system. However, our modern education system is just depend on the information. As saying is said that information. No transformation there. I don't want to prolong my words anymore and want to conclude my speech by reciting the fact the current education system is not yet creating a value-based society. Thank you and have a nice day.
How we can cement this kind of system over there? It means that,
by developing our education system, that in our class, in our school time, that we study about trigonometries and all types of these things in our classes. But we don't know how we use this in our future.
Right.
We just want to take the jobs, not to generate the jobs in the society.
Very nice. Clap for her.
As we expected, she did the same.